Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. This is Master Smart Trade System, best trading view indicator ever. Okay, and I will show you the back testing result. I will show you a lot of entries, and you will get awesome result. Okay, this is strategy, only one indicator, Master Smart Trade System, best trading view indicator. Okay, now we will discuss the whole detail how you can get how you can exactly get the entries. Okay, here this is our buy entry and I will show you how you know this is the buy entry. Let me show you some results here, back testing. Okay, then I will discuss. Okay, when this trend cloud, you can see here the red, that's mean you have sell trend and you have need to open only sell position. And where, remember, this is the RSI. Okay, this is RSI ripple. Whenever you will see RSI is coming upside from the upper band line, and the candle must close below from the RSI and the EMA line, this one. Okay, so this is your sell entry. Okay, and then you will see results really amazing. Okay, like here you can see same condition, this candle closing below, so this is your entry point. You can close the position when candle touch to the lower band line. I know you need a back testing and I will show you, no worry. Here you can see candle close upside, each condition is true, and this is your scalping. You can take your profit at this point. And let me show some more results, and I will show you back bar replay mode, do not worry. Okay, here you can see this is really amazing entry, this is really amazing entry. And now I hell need to show you the bar replay because I know you need bar replay mode. So first we will see here. Okay, now from this point we will see. Just wait. Cloud is red, that's mean you have need to open only sell position. Now the second point, this is the band line. Okay, lower band line, upper band line. Okay, now this is the RSI. Okay, RSI now come upside, and now we just need a candle close below from the RSI and the EMA. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now at this point you can see this candle closing below, so this is your entry point. Okay, and this is your target. Let's see, this lower band line is your target. Let's see, and here we go. You can see now the candle touch to the lower band line. Now you can close your band. This is the first thing. If you want, you can wait some more time until the candle close upside from the EMA line. Just wait, and the band line is also non-repainted. RSI is non-repainted, and the trend clouds is also non-repainted. Okay, so let's see. We can little bit 1x. Let's see, because we need a little bit fast mode. Okay, I think more fast 3x. Okay, let's see. Now the candle touch to the upper band line. Now we will see RSI. Yes, RS candle touch. This is your entry point, and target is lower band line. Let's see, and here we go. Okay, let's find out more entries. We have need to only follow the trend. Okay, trend is your friend. This is actually the strategy is trend your friend. Okay, now we see RSI. You can see you can hold, and you of course that trend is downside, so you can open multiple entries if you want. Okay, but we will see exact entry and we will see RSI. Yes, and yes, that was very close, but we did not get exactly. Okay, you can see the target achieved, but the no candle touch to the uptrend, but at this point you can open your sell entry, because at this point RSI was upside from the upper band line. Okay, let's say okay, now the candle touch to the upper band line. Okay, and each and everything, let's see my, okay, you can see this candle touch to the upper band line and close below from the RSI, and this is you can be your silently, and then you can see results really amazing. Let's find out more. Okay, at this point you can see this can be your entry point. Okay, and your target is lower band line and achieve easily. Let's find out more entries. Even you can get better result as well. Okay, let's find out. I show you around 5 to 6 entries are all profitable. Okay, there is no doubt, and hopefully you will love this indicator as well. Okay, there is a entry as well. You can see this is entry point. Okay, because RSI was upside, each and everything I told you, and you can see yourself. This was your target, and let's find out more entries. According to the trend, you have need to trade in the gold 3-minute time frame. If you will get maybe 1 2 3 or 4 5 entries in a day, that's enough. Here at this point you can see RSI was upside from the upper band line, and it can, then you can see you can get a small target. Let's find out more entries. Here we go. Can attach to the upper band line, you can take small profit, but that is just very small profit. Okay, here you can see no candle touch to the low. Now at this point candle close below from the EMA, each and everything, this is your best entry point. Okay, and you can see you got a very good result as the at the end. Okay, let's find out more entries. Okay, now candle touch to the upper band line, and now we have just need to wait, and here we go. We did not get the entry, but the trend is changed now, so we at this point we have need to wait for the sell entry. Here you can see we did not get any entry. Okay, but at this point this is the most recent condition. Now the RSI is below from the lower band line, each and condition is true. So here you can see all conditions are true, trend follow each condition, and this is you can be your entry point. Okay, at this point, and market little bit, you can take one more entry, because at the end of the day definitely you will get more results, or you can say you will get better result, and hopefully at the end of the day I will also show you a live entry result. Okay, and you will love it. Now hopefully you will love this indicator. Any further query or any question if you have in your mind, then you can contact me, or if you need the indicator, yes, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail, right one at the end. If you want to contact me by Telegram, Gmail, simplehoga@gmail.com. Any further query, any question, yes, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.